When it comes to designing and developing a project in Noida Extension, contour surveyors play a crucial role. Contour surveying involves mapping the topography of the land and identifying its natural features such as hills, valleys, and slopes. By using advanced technology and equipment, contour surveyors are able to accurately measure and analyze the land's elevation and slope. This information is essential for architects, engineers, and developers to plan and design the project effectively. One of the key aspects of contour surveying is the identification of potential drainage issues. By mapping the contour lines, contour surveyors can determine the natural flow of water on the land. This information is essential for proper drainage planning and preventing waterlogging issues in the future. With the rapid urbanization in Noida Extension, it is crucial to have a comprehensive understanding of the land's topography to avoid any potential risks or challenges during the construction process. Another important role of contour surveyors in Noida Extension is assisting in SCON design. SCON design refers to the planning and design of stormwater collection systems. Stormwater runoff can cause significant damage to infrastructure and the surrounding environment if not managed properly. Contour surveyors play a vital role in identifying the natural drainage patterns and designing effective SCON systems to minimize the impact of stormwater runoff. Contour surveyors in Noida Extension use advanced surveying tools such as DGPS receivers, total stations, and laser scanners to accurately measure and map the land. These tools allow them to collect precise data that can be used for various purposes such as creating detailed topographic maps, calculating earthwork quantities, and designing efficient drainage systems. The use of advanced technology not only improves the accuracy of contour surveying but also increases productivity and reduces project timelines. Contour surveyors are essential to the planning and development of any project in Noida Extension. During a contour survey, the topography of the area is mapped and its natural characteristics, such as hills, valleys, and slopes, are noted. The elevation and slope of the terrain can be precisely measured and analyzed by contour surveyors utilizing cutting-edge tools and technology. To properly plan and build the project, architects, engineers, and developers need this knowledge. Finding possible drainage problems is one of the most important components of contour surveying. Contour surveyors can ascertain the land's natural water flow by mapping the contour lines. For good drainage planning and future waterlogging issues prevention, this knowledge is crucial. To prevent any potential risks or difficulties during the construction process, it is essential to have a thorough grasp of the topography of the property given the fast urbanization in Noida Extension. Helping with SCON design is another crucial responsibility of contour surveyors in Noida Extension. Stormwater collecting system design is referred to as SCON design. If stormwater runoff is not adequately controlled, it can seriously harm nearby ecosystems.